I'm going to be showing you how to export your list and GetResponse, and this is something that you want to do pretty often. One, you don't own these autoresponder platforms, so you want to take your number one asset out of that as often as possible, and two, you have the most updated list in case you have to upload to a different autoresponder. You don't want to email people who already unsubscribed from your list and get them all angry and stuff. So I'm going to show you exactly what this is or how to do it. And if you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams. Welcome to this video. I'm going to start here from the GetResponse homepage, just in case you do not know how to get to your contacts. So I'm going to click on contacts, and from here you want to find the list that you want to export. There's going to be some of y'all that want to export all of your list, like everybody in there. You're going to want to click on show all contacts. For the purpose of privacy, I'm not going to click on that here in this video, but it works the same way. So I'm going to find a list that I want to export the list from. So I'm just going to scroll down. So here's a list that I am the only subscriber on. So I'm going to choose this for an example, but what you want to do is you want to hover over these three dots. You want to click on show contacts. You could also click here. Now that you have your list of contacts, you can hover up here at the first set of three dots, and then you can click on export. Now, this is the same process you'll do if you're doing all of your emails in your entire system. Once you click on export, you can give it a name. I definitely recommend adding a date there, so later on when you have to go and find your list, you'll have the actual date of the latest list. 14 October 2024 manifestation list, if you need to identify what list it is. And then this is the recommended one, the CSV. Go ahead and click that. Export new file. You can see I did one yesterday that's still available. Here's the one that's available here. You just click here to download it, and it will download that file for you. And as you can see right here, I have my list. So this is how you export. Like, comment, and subscribe. See below for more marketing tips and training.